Hello everyone. Today we will discuss erythroblastosis fetalis. Erythroblastosis fetalis. So in this erythroblastosis, the disease. So these disease they are causing to the alloimmune disease. So they are the alloimmune disease. Alloimmune disease. Alloimmune disease. So the alloimmune disease means, so the totally the human being contain a 23 pairs of chromosomes. The human being contain a 23 pairs of the chromosomes. In these 23 pairs of the chromosomes, 22 pairs of the chromosomes are the autosomes. 22 pairs of the autosomes. Last 23rd pair chromosome is called as allosome. First chromosome to 22 chromosomes is called as autosomes. Last pair of the chromosome, 23rd pair chromosome is called as allosome. So these autosomes, they are developing the body organisms. So these allosome, one pair of the allosome, so they are developing the sexual behavior, sexual character, sex organisms. So they are the autosomes and allosomes. So this disease is called as alloimmune disease. Alloimmune disease means, so these disease causing the allosomes like 23 pair of the chromosome. Next one, so in this disease majorly causing from the fetus babies. First of all, so the father, blood group RH positive. Father blood group RH positive, either A positive, B positive, AB positive or O positive, any positive. Next one, mother blood group. Mother blood group is RH negative. Mother blood group RH negative. So the father blood group RH positive, mother blood group RH negative. So this the male RH positive, female RH negative. These are two persons marriage. So the father RH, the male human being RH positive, female RH negative. So in this positive and negative male and female, in this persons of the both the persons are the marriage. So the RH positive male, RH negative female, in these two persons the marriage. So the after marriage, so the fetus, for example, so in these two persons marriage, so the after marriage, so the first baby, so the after the fertilization, the formation of embryo. So the embryo, the RH positive fetus, the embryo RH positive fetus. So the RH positive fetus, the effect only RH positive fetus. So for example, RH negative fetus, there is no effect, there is no problem, only RH positive fetus only affecting. So in this affecting, like for example, just a rough diagram. So they are the mother, so the mother body, like fetus. So the mother body. So the mother body blood group is RH negative. Mother body blood group RH negative. Fetus body blood group RH positive. Fetus blood group RH positive. So the mother blood group RH negative, fetus blood group RH positive. So this mother connection through the embryonic membranes. So this mother body to connection through the embryonic membranes, umbilical cord. So they are connection from the mother to fetus umbilical cord. So this umbilical cord, so they are the transfer from the gases and nutrients and waste materials. So they are mother to fetus is transfer. So the after 9 months, the baby is delivered. After 9 months, the baby is delivered. So the baby is deliver. The delivery time, the baby placenta will be rupture. Placenta will be rupture. So the first baby, Rh positive baby, the baby delivery time, the placenta will be rupture. So in that time they are releasing from the blood. The delivery time, the baby placenta will be rupture. In the rupturing time, they are releasing to the fetus blood. They entering into the mother body. The fetal blood enters into the mother body. So the fetal blood enters into the mother body. So the mother body is Rh negative. So the fetus body blood is Rh positive. So the mother body identify the mother blood. So they are mother blood immune system. The mother blood immune system identify the Rh positive antigens. Identify the Rh positive antibodies. So the after identify the antibodies, so the mother immune system they produce the Rh antibodies, producing to the mother body. Mother immune system produce antibodies. Mother immune system produce antibodies. Mother immune system they produce the antibodies because of, so they are identify the Rh positive antigens. The blood contain, the fetal blood contain a Rh positive antigens. So these Rh positive antigens entering into the female mother blood circulation. So in this mother blood circulation, so the mother immune system identify the Rh positive antigens. Mother body contain Rh negative antigens. So the fetus contain Rh positive antigens. So these Rh positive antigens identify the mother immune system. Immediately they are releasing to the, they produce the antibodies. So the Rh positive antibodies, producing the Rh positive antibodies. So these Rh positive antibodies are the IgG type. So these are the IgG type. The antibodies are the IgG type. So the mother immune system is sensitized. Once revised. So the father Rh positive blood group, mother Rh negative blood group. Father Rh positive, mother Rh negative. So the baby is Rh positive, the fetus is Rh positive. So the after 9 months the placenta will be rupture, the blood entering into the mixing with the mother blood, the fetus blood mixing with the mother blood. So before the delivery time there is no mixing, mother blood is separate, fetal blood is separate. So in the delivery time the embryo, the fetus placenta will be rupture, the fetal blood entering into the mother blood circulation. So the mother blood contain Rh negative antigens. The fetus blood contain Rh positive. So the Rh positive. So fetus blood contain Rh positive antigens. So the mother immune system identify the Rh positive antigens. So the immune system is activate to produce Rh positive antibodies. They are producing the Rh positive antibodies. So these antibodies are the IgG type. So they are the small antibodies. They are producing to the IgG type antibodies. So these antibodies are the small in size. So they are production in the mother blood circulation. So already the antibodies are production in the immune system. They are storing in the mother blood circulation. After second baby formation, so they are the first baby. So, they are the first baby. So, the first baby there is no effect. So, they are this time the baby is delivery. So, next second baby formation. Next one, second baby formation. Second baby formation. So, they are the mother body. Next one. So, second baby. So, they are the second baby. So, the second baby blood group RH positive. Second baby blood group RH positive. Mother blood group is RH negative. Mother blood group RH negative. So, the mother blood group is RH negative. So, in the umbilical cord, the connection between the mother and fetus. The umbilical cord connecting from the mother and fetus. So, in the first baby delivery time, the IgG antibodies are the production. So, these IgG antibodies, the mother IgG antibodies, they are entering through the placenta, they entering into the second baby, enters into the second embryo, enters into the second embryo. So, this second embryo, so they are killing with the red blood cells, killing the red blood cells. So, these are called as erythroblastosis fetalis. This is called as erythroblastosis fetalis. So, the first delivery time, the RH positive antibodies are the developing. So, these developing antibodies enters into the fetus embryo. So, they enters into the fetus embryo. So, they are killing with the red blood cells, killing the red blood cells of the fetus. So, the immature red blood cells are the producing, immature red blood cell producing from the fetus. So, the not only bone marrow, they are releasing with the bone marrow and liver and spleen, liver and spleen. So, the after releasing, so the baby will be die, the second baby will die, second baby is die. So, these disease is called as erythroblastosis fetalis. This disease is called as erythroblastosis fetalis. So, the first baby there is no effect. So, the in this delivery time, the mother blood is sensitized. After second baby formation, the prepared antibodies enters into the second embryo, they are killing with the second baby. So, this disease is called as erythroblastosis fetalis. But, so the first baby also affecting. So, the first baby is affecting from the anemia disease, hemolytic anemia. First baby affecting with the disease hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia. First baby affecting through the hemolytic anemia. First baby affecting on the hemolytic anemia disease and jaundice. They are affecting with the jaundice. So, the first baby affecting only hemolytic anemia disease or jaundice disease. So, they are affecting the first baby. Second baby completely destroy, completely die because of mother blood group sensitized, mother immune system is sensitized. So, the preparing the antibodies, these antibodies enters into the fetus blood circulation. So, the fetus blood circulation dying the RBC, after few days the second baby will be die. So, they are called as erythroblastosis fetalis. So, the for example, first baby RH negative. So, the father RH positive, mother RH negative. So, the first baby RH negative, there is no effect because of mother blood group is RH negative, fetus blood group is RH negative. So, there is no effect, only effect only RH positive fetus only. After second baby, first RH positive fetus, next affecting the second baby. So, the second baby is killing. So, they are called as erythroblastosis fetalis, erythroblastosis fetalis. Next one, so this prevention of erythroblastosis fetalis. So, they are the injection, mother 28th week, mother 28th week and 34 week, 28th week and 34 week. So, they are injection in the anti-D antibodies, anti-D antibodies. So, they are injecting the 28th week and 34 week, second baby of the pregnancy time, 28th week and 34th week. In these 2 weeks, injection of the anti-D antibodies, injection the anti-D antibodies. So these anti-D antibodies, so they suppress of the mother immune system, suppress the mother immune system. So there is no affecting of the second baby, there is no affecting of the second baby. So they are the prevention of the erythroblastosis simply. So the 24th week, 28th week and 32 week, these 2 weeks injections from the anti-D antibodies injection. So these injection, they are helps from the suppress the mother immune system, suppressing the mother immune system. So there is no affecting of the second baby. So they are the erythroblastosis of fetalis. So the affecting the Rh positive and Rh negative mother, Rh positive father, Rh negative mother. So they are the erythroblastosis fetalis. Very important 4 marks question.